Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. As always, if you enjoyed the content, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. So what I'm going to be doing here today is going over the analysis of Apple, and full disclosure, before I do that, I just want to say that I do have a short-term bearish position that expires this Friday. So that is going to play into basically my analysis and why I think that Apple is going to pull back in the near-term, short-term future. But first off, so what you guys see right here, this line is basically the uptrend line that Apple has been continuously bouncing off over the past couple of days and last week. And you can see multiple times it's kind of just bounced off this line and then uptrended again. You can see the same pattern here, also bounce uptrend, bounce uptrend. So it's a pretty consistent pattern that has been repeating, and that's going to play into effect a little bit later on in the video when I explain some other things. So now that we have that out of the way, what we need to do is identify the resistance and support levels of Apple. So as of right now, like I said, Apple has been continuously going up for the past couple of days. So it hasn't really been finding a consistent resistance. It's kind of just been breaking out of that resistance level and gapping up even higher. But these past couple of days, especially today and yesterday, it's been finding some very, very strong resistance around the 303 area. And I'm going to go ahead and add a trend line right here. So you can see kind of this resistance right here, tries to consolidate, go higher, 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 reaches all the way up to 303, goes up even past 303, but it's not able to make a decisive move and continue gapping up. So it gaps down, tries to consolidate, once again tries to push over that 303 area, is unable to, consolidates even more, tries one more time, gets rejected, and starts downtrending again. So it's pretty concise to say that the 303 area right now is major resistance. Right now we're trading at around 30. After hours is around 299. So for the near term future, like I said, I'm a little bit bearish, especially because it's not able to go over the 303, and it's been gapping up for the past two weeks basically. So that being said, where is the next support, or where do I think Apple is heading? Well, the first support that I think Apple is going to test, especially because it's already downtrending, is the 290, around the 297, 298 area. I'm going to go ahead and add another line right here. So around this area right here, and if we also extend this line all the way to the left, you can see that this line is consistent with what I'm saying. I'm trying to lower it down a little bit, but I'm not sure why it's not working. But you can see right here it tried gapping up, so it's consistent, and the support right here got rejected, bounced all the way back to this trend line, bounced back right here. It was able to break through, and that's when it made its new high of 303. So right now it's trading halfway around 303, which is its resistance, and the 297 area, which is its support. However, I do think especially because SPY right now is down, it's around I want to say 284 right now at the time that I'm recording this video. So that being said, I definitely think that Apple's going to break through this support of 297 and possibly retest this trend line. And right here is going to be the big decisive movement. It's going to be able to bounce off of it again, like it's done multiple times before, right here, and right here? Or is it going to downtrend, or is it going to break through that trend and downtrend even more? So if it does break through this trend line right here, this one, then the next possible support that it might test is around the 292 area, which is right here, right around here, which is right around the 292 area. So it definitely has some space to continue its gap down. And considering that, like I said, it's been uptrending for the last 2 weeks, last week it opened on Monday at 270. Right now we're at 300. So that's a really, really big move. Even though Apple is considered a blue chip and a safety stock, that's still a really, really big move in just 10 trading days. So I definitely think that near term, like I said, this is going to go down. I could be wrong, especially because a lot of stuff has been going on where they just released some random news that is going to try to pump the economy. But charts usually don't lie, and like I said, that's why I personally think that Apple is going to um, slow down a little bit and not continue to gap up and possibly retest some of these support lines that I drew. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you guys want me to go over a specific stock analysis, go ahead and leave a comment down below, or you guys can join my Discord, which there's a link down below, and message me through there.